friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're gonna head out to, well, a food festival for that matter. We've been to this one before, but I think a couple years ago. So we're gonna see if there's anything different from, I guess, previous years, and of course, eat something new and whatever else they have to offer. So let's head back to FoodieLand. Back in our favorite spot. Alright, a lot of good choices this year. What are we gonna eat? What are we gonna eat? Churro donut? No. What do we choose?
get for you?
Can I get the cat with the just regular iced tea? $29?
That's right. 29.
We're all at the lemon.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
Yes.
Next number, please. There's some places over there, but
that is our trip to this year's FoodieLand. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a good and fulfilling time. I know I did. We definitely had a lot of delicious food, and it was really hard to choose which ones you want to go to, especially when there are so many different options. I will put the link in the description if you want to check out our past visit to FoodieLand, and as well as the link to the actual website of the event if you want to check out any future events that may come up. And definitely, if you do plan to go to these types of food festivals, bring a few friends along. It's really great to share. Like, each one could pick something different and just share, bites of each one. Thanks so much again. Do come back next week as I'll have a whole new adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. And if you have suggestions of places you'd like us to visit, let me know. You may just see it here on the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until next time, I'll see you all later. Take care.